Sheena Manuel, and I'm at the Max Bupa LFW TV studio. It is day 4 right here at Lakme Fashion Week, and we've got a whole lot of exclusive interviews lined up of designers only for you. Hey everyone, I'm with Nupur Kanoy, one of the fabulous new designers, or rather,
Thank
this
you.
is the first time I've seen her show, and it was beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm feeling very relaxed after the show. Yeah,
Okay.
it was a fabulous show.
How many months have you been working on the collection?
We've been working on it for the last 2.5 months. It's been crazy, but it's been great fun. I've enjoyed every bit of it.
You know, as we were chatting earlier, I
Yeah.
said that you had some Indian silhouettes,
Yes.
which was like an elongated
Yeah,
shirt.
I've just basically used the kurta silhouette and I've turned them into shirts and I've elongated them. Increased the length to, let's say, floor length and played with asymmetry. So it's just, I would say it's a twerk. I'm tweaking it a little bit, the Indian silhouette, to give it a very modern Western feel.
Two reasons for the big pieces. One is so that it helps me tell the story, because what I make is conceptual jewelry where the concept is primary to the jewelry. So the jewelry is just a way to tell the story. So whatever it needs to be, it has to be. And two is, I think on the runway, if you really want to connect with the audience, you have to supersize the pieces so that it really reaches out and touches them somewhere.
Nil, congratulations on your amazing, fabulous,
Thank you so
crazy show.
Thank you.
So how does it feel? You're done. You're free now.
You know, I can finally sleep. I can finally eat. I can live life like a normal human being now. It's been so crazy for me because the amount of texture that's been done into these outfits,
I
it's just been
know.
crazy. So I'm glad it's done.
So how did you create all these shapes and these sizes and these styles, and how did that come about?
It's just, I've got an amazing team. I don't have a lot of assistants. I just got 2 who work really hard with me, and we're on the same wavelength. So we sort of worked on the textures together, worked on the styling together. The sketches were mine, but yes, we all work together as a team.
Tell me, I just wanted to know, in your collection, was there like what was this idea behind going from dark colors into color? What was the story behind
the
that?
theme, I mean, the name of my collection was called My Journey because this collection marked the 10th year anniversary of me.
Okay,
So it was
congratulations.
just thank you. I'm old again. You know, but it was just different moods, different feelings. You know, it was just my journey.
Okay.